Hello dear friends, myself is Roshni Parikh and today I am going to discuss about the commutations of SCR. Now, what does mean by the commutation? Commutation means the process of turning off SCR or a thyristor is known as the commutations. मीन्स व्हाट कि SCR को बंद करने की जो भी मेथड है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, कम्यूटेशंस बोलते हैं. कम्यूटेशंस इज डिफाइंड एज द प्रोसेस ऑफ टर्निंग ऑफ एन SCR और अ थायरिस्टर. Now basically commutations, mainly commutations are two types. Commutations of SCR. Now commutations of SCR, basically there are mainly two types: natural commutation and force commutation. Force commutation. Now there are mainly two types of commutations of SCR: natural commutations and force commutation. Now what is the natural commutation? Natural commutation means when the SCR is going to be operated on a AC supply. At that time what happened during the positive half cycle means when you are going to operate the SCR on the AC supply, AC having a sine wave nature, sinusoidal nature. So during the positive half cycle SCR is triggered by applying the gate pulse. So SCR is comes into the conduction mode and starts to conduct. But when the negative half cycle is a start, means at the end of a positive half cycle the current attains the zero value, means there is a zero crossings of current from positive peak to the negative peak. So while the zero crossing, the value of a anode current is goes to or decays to zero, and during the negative half cycle a reverse voltage is applied across the SCR. So what will happen? SCR is automatically going to be off condition, or SCR is automatically a reverse bias, and during that condition SCR is remains the off. There is a no external commutation circuit is required to make the SCR off. So these types of commutation is known as the natural commutations, as the SCR is going to be off by the natural tendency of the AC mains. So name is given a natural commutations. And now in a natural commutations only one class is there, that is the class F commutation. Class F commutation. Now what is a forced commutation? Forced commutation means the SCR is a forced to go to off condition, that is known as the forced commutation. Now in a forced commutation the external commutation circuitry is required to make the SCR, to force the SCR to comes into the off condition, that is known as the forced commutation. Now when the force commutation is required, when SCR is operated on a DC supply, when the SCR is operated on DC supply, operated on DC, then what happen? Okay, in a DC SCR is on a DC. In a DC the magnitude of current is a constant. So what happen? Once the SCR is on, by applying a gate pulse to the gate terminal, then what will happen? SCR is goes into the on condition, forward conduction mode, and once the SCR is comes into the forward conduction mode, then what will happen? It remains the on until the anode current is decays to zero, or anode current is less than the holding current. So in a DC the magnitude of the current, that is the constant. So what happen? If you want to require to SCR off, then external commutation circuitry is required to make it the to make the SCR off state, or to make the anode current going to less than the holding current, and then the SCR is going to be off state. So that is called a forced commutation. As the name suggests, forced means what? SCR is a forced to go to into the off condition, to go to into the forward blocking state again. So name is given a forced commutation. So in a forced commutation there are basically again further classifications are there. Class A commutation, class A commutation, same way class B, class C, class E, class C, class D, and class E. Means forced commutations are further divided into the 5 types of commutations: class A commutation, class B, class C commutations, class D commutations, and a class E commutation. Now there are two methods to make the SCR off state or to make the turn off the SCR. Once either applying the reverse voltage across the SCR or to reduce the anode current less than the holding current, then SCR is going to be further into the forward blocking state and remains the off. So class A and class B commutation, that is the current commutations. Current commutation. Wherever class C, class D and class E, that is the voltage commutation. Now what is a current commutation and what is a voltage commutation? As I said that SCR can be turned off by the two ways. One way is by applying the reverse voltage. If the SCR is going to be off by applying a reverse voltage across the SCR, then it is known as the voltage commutation. As you are applying a reverse voltage across the SCR terminal and SCR is going to be again into the forward blocking state, so it is known as the voltage commutations. And current commutation means what? In a current commutation method, the SCR is going to be off by reducing the anode current, forward anode current, to less than the holding current. Then SCR is again going to into the forward blocking state, and SCR is a reverse bias and doesn't conduct. So there are two types of commutation, current and a voltage. So this is the commutation. Now what is it is a generally outlined. What is the commutation? Commutation, there is a process of turning off an SCR or a thyristor. As the commutations are classified into the two categories, natural and a forced. Natural means what? When a SCR is going to be operated on the AC supply, at that time during the positive half cycle, the gate is a trigger at an angle of a alpha by applying a gate pulse. So SCR is going to be on and you will get the controlled output. But during the negative half cycle, so at the end of a positive half cycle, it current attains the zero value, means your anode current is 0. So your SCR is automatically going to be off without using any external commutation circuit. So here a commutation is done by natural tendency of the AC wave. So name is given a natural commutation. As the class F commutations is known as the natural commutations. Now what is a forced commutation? As its name suggests, force means what? SCR is a forced to go into the off condition. So name is given a forced commutation. And when forced commutation is required, then when SCR is operated on a DC supply. In a DC supply, the magnitude of current is a constant. Then once the SCR is going to be on by applying a gate pulse, then what happen? The anode current is remains greater than the latching current. Then what will happen? You need require to external circuit to again reducing the anode current less than the holding current. That's why here force is means circuit is required to force the SCR to make it into the off condition. So name is given a force commutation. Now in a force commutation, further classifications are like that: class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. In a class A and class B, the commutation is made by the current commutation, means by using the external commutation circuit. The anode current is forced to reduce less than the holding current. Then SCR is again reverse bias and comes into the off state. And here a class C, class D and class E commutation, the reverse voltage is applied across the SCR terminal. So SCR is going to be off state. So this is the commutations of SCR, and hope you understood. Thank you.